For under $1 you can get this gadget from Aliexpress. And I order it. Why? Because it looks cool. What is it? It says it's a car static eliminator. Keychain, head, rocket, shaped anti-static keychain, decorative pendant, electrostatic release. Take a look. It says that you can use it to remove static. For under $1 I had to have it. So I ordered it and I got it to test. And of course, no bubbles. I forgot to tell you, I ordered a pink one. You can choose between blue, gray and pink one. It's so small. It's a keychain. You can see that this thing on the top and on the bottom are metal pieces, and by holding like this and pointing in some metal surface that you want to get rid of static, that light inside, and I think it is a neon light bulb through one resistor. That's it. This will remove static. Let's try it. This is my 3D printer. No static. On my PC computer. No static. On my video game. No static. On my very old Sony TV. No static. So how to test this gadget? Maybe the light bulb is broken. To test that, I will use my DIY kit Tesla coil that I also get from AliExpress. I will put a link in the description below so you can check it. And this thing is working on DC voltage from 12 to 24 volts. Just to be careful when plugging in, because right here we have a okay, and let's try it. Whoa, the light bulb turned it on. Take a look. It's on. But when at the same time I don't need to hold it on the metal piece, it works. I think that this thing is ordinary neon light bulb, and with this thing to remove the static, I don't know. But take a look. Wireless energy transfer to my keychain. And it's a cool keychain. Whoa. So inside this keychain there is a small neon light bulb like this one that I'm holding in my hands. And the Tesla coil lights up the bulbs. Nice. Okay. That was a short video of presenting this. I don't know is it useful or not, but it's cool, and it's for under $1. Alright, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!